Hey everyone, Amy here. This is the 5th video in the GrooveMail Tutorial 2022 series. In this quick video, I want to show you how to create an email broadcast in GrooveMail and where to find the analytics. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, to access email broadcasts, you can click on this quick link here or head to the email icon and click on new broadcast. You have the option of sending an email broadcast or an SMS broadcast. To add an SMS broadcast, you will need to add an SMS sender. You can find it in my GrooveMail Tutorial 2022 playlist, and it's this video here, how to add an SMS sender to GrooveMail via Twilio integration. Heading back to broadcast, give your broadcast a name, and I usually add a date so that I know when this broadcast was sent. You have the option of adding a tag to this broadcast. I'll skip that for now and click on next. In recipients, you can send this broadcast to those that subscribe to a list or contacts that have a tag. To keep it simple, I'll send this broadcast to people who subscribe to the list, and that list is the test list. In this particular list, I've got 1 active email, 0 inactive email, and 1 email in this segment. Click on next. For broadcast content, click on the drop-down arrow and select your sender email. If you don't know how to set up a sender email, head to my playlist again, and it's the very first video here, GrooveMail email sender connecting SMTP SendGrid. Make sure you add in your sender email by following this video before creating a broadcast. Under subject, you can personalize the subject headline by adding in a variable. Click on plus, add in first name. I can call out Amy, open up. For preview, that's just a snippet of text that appears before someone opens up the email. Scrolling down to message, this here is your email builder, but I want to let you know that a new email builder is coming very soon, and what that allows you to do is create beautiful emails with images and rows within your email broadcast. I'm just going to stick to something very simple and type out my message. I've just added in some copy, but you want to personalize this email by adding the person's first name. In order to do that, click on this plus and select first name. In order to add an image, click on this icon, upload image. I'll select this image, click open, hit on the up arrow. And a tip here is that you want to resize your image so that it appears neatly on a mobile device. Click on select. I also want to hyperlink this, so I'll highlight all of that, head to my browser, copy this link, back to GrooveMail, click on the chain link, paste it in there and press save. I want to make this text blue by going here, clicking on blue and giving it an underline. You can also hyperlink an image by highlighting it, clicking on the chain link icon again, pasting it, press save. I've added in an image of myself and that looks all good to me. However, you can click on this eye icon to preview it, close out of that, head down, click on next. And you can either send this broadcast now, schedule for later, or save it as a draft. If I click on schedule for later, click on here, select the date, click next, and the time that you like to schedule out your broadcast, click OK. Do note that GrooveMail sends out their email according to the EST time zone. Scrolling down, there's a summary of your broadcast details, which lists tags and segments you sent to your sender email and the message content. Then you can hit schedule for later. If you like to send now, click on send now. I'm just going to save it as a draft and head up here to click save as draft. If you like to see your analytics for your broadcast, head over to your left, click on analytics. Click on this broadcast tab. You should be able to see the opens, clicks, unsubscribe, and the number of recipients this broadcast was sent to. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button and share the videos to help everyone out. Until next time, see ya!